Hello everybody, Andrea Majewski here. So let's talk about the best silicone cookware, okay? I love silicone cookware because A, it is very easy to clean. No more like pots and pans where you just can't get it clean, like you know what I mean? This is so easy. You wipe it and it's clean. Nothing sticks to silicone like it does any other cookware. So that's a good thing. And B, it's so much quicker to cook with silicone, but be careful. There are cheap, lousy silicone products out there that if you put them in the oven or in the microwave, it will smell toxic, basically. That's cheap, bad silicone. And that's why silicone cookware gets its bad name from cheap knockoff products. You need to spend a little bit more money, get the good silicone that is actually healthier for you. So, and that brings me to this one here. This has changed my life. I'm not even kidding. Easy to clean and much quicker, and it's not actually that expensive. So this is about $25, and it's such a good size. Perfect for somebody who's in college, perfect for pretty much anybody. My sister has one. She's 23 and she cooks everything in here because she's just one person. So when she's making a meal, she doesn't need these big pots and pans, right? You can cook anything in here, including cakes. The other day I had made my sweet homemade banana bread in here, okay? It took about eight minutes and done. Homemade banana bread, and it looks nice. So you don't have to, store it in anything else. If you have ugly cookware, maybe it doesn't have a lid, once you make something, you just have to take it out and put it in something else, especially if you're going somewhere. This, you can cook it in here, bake it in here, put the lid on, put it on the table, easy. Take it somewhere else, easy, right? They are amazing. So this one's about $25. But what I haven't said yet is it makes everything quicker. Let's say you want to cook carrots and not have to wait to boil the water, this and that. Put carrots in here for about 5 minutes, depending on the size of the carrots. 5 minutes, no water needed, and done. Open it up, perfect carrots every time. Put asparagus, about 2 minutes. No water needed, put it in the microwave. You can put it in the oven if you prefer for other things like cakes or potatoes, but I use these in the microwave, okay? I had made a baked potato, put it in the microwave, no water, put the lid on. It took about 10 minutes, not an hour as if you were to boil the water, put it on a pot. No. Who has time for that? Took me about 10 minutes, I think even less actually, I can't remember. Rice, you can make rice in here. You don't have to worry about burnt rice, burnt pots ever again. Add rice, water in here. It takes about 12 minutes, but it's totally worth it. Perfect fluffy rice every time. As I said, you can put banana bread in here, muffin mixes, cake mixes, anything. Put this in here in the microwave, takes less time. The banana bread, I believe it took about 8 minutes. You can cook eggs in here, make an omelet, whatever you want. Easy peasy, you can cook anything in here, I'm telling you. If you have any questions, comment and I can tell you if you can cook it in here. These are amazing. Good quality silicone products is what you need. If you buy silicone products from Amazon, they're not going to be the good quality, let me tell you. You'll put them in the microwave, you'll put them in the oven, they're going to smell, they're going to burn. That's not good. You need good quality silicone. I will leave the links for you guys on the bottom. Another silicone product that I love. So this actually comes in a pack of 4. Look at these cool like portion sizes, right? So remember I was telling you guys about the banana bread pack? You can bake banana bread in here in these cute like portion cups. It comes in a set of 4. Silicone. These go in the microwave also, you guys, for about, if you're just putting in the one, probably like 2 minutes. Test out the microwave. They're all different. Easy to clean, faster cooking, and just the best. And did I mention, you guys, easy to store? Like you could easily just package these up, put them in there, easy to store. Who does not always say they need more storage? If you have silicone cookware, you actually don't, because it's just so much easier to store because it just sort of becomes flat too. So if that's easier for you, and then it just bounces right back. Easier to clean, easier to cook, easier to bake, easier to store. One last thing that I forgot because it was on my lap. Check out this lid. Okay, so you might be wondering, that's a lid? What are you talking about? I just used it actually, hence why it kind of looks the way it does. I was boiling some water. I'm sorry. I was actually making some chicken broth. I don't have the chicken broth mix, but I think I have the beef broth mix. So I was actually making some chicken broth in a pot on the stove. Put this over it as a lid. That water will boil quicker and it will not boil over. That's what this is for. I challenge you, try to have that pot boil over. It will not. This will ensure that the water stays in the pot. Totally worth it. It's not expensive, you guys. And it's a big pot, right? Or sorry, it's a big lid. So it will fit small pots, big pots, the best thing ever. The water will not boil over and it makes the water boil faster. So I will leave the link for you guys on the bottom there too. Feel free to join my group on Facebook. So much to say. I do live events where I just talk about like cookware, cooking, stuff like that, about once a month. So check it out. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. But silicone cookware is the way to go. Try it. If you don't like it, you can take it back, but nobody doesn't like silicone cookware, okay? It's the best thing ever. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Make sure to click like so then that way I know people are watching, and make sure to click subscribe so that I know people are watching. So thank you guys and have a good afternoon. Bye for now.